Let's go over the solar data layer within LandApp. We will start with the Buildable Acreage tab, which only works if you zoom in on the map. The Buildable Acreage tab shows you nationwide exclusion zones that could hinder development. You'll see the data populate as you zoom in. Use the legend on the left to see which each fill color on the map represents. We can see this information for specific properties within LandApp's property reports, which we will get into later. I can click on the eye icons to hide and show specific layers on the map view. The Rooftop Solar Data Layer shows me electrical infrastructure like transmission lines and substations, represented by the red lines and yellow circles, as well as rooftop areas with solar potential as indicated with the blue boxes. Third, we have the Solar Irradiance tab. Solar irradiance refers to the amount of sunlight that hits the Earth's surface. Areas with a high solar irradiance are generally better for solar farms, and as indicated by the legend on the left, a darker red indicates a higher solar irradiance. You can use this layer completely zoomed out on the map. Now let's talk about the solar data within LandApp's property reports. I'm going to zoom back in on the map and click on a parcel to view the details. On the mobile version of LandApp, you can see the solar value index score rated on a scale of 0 to 100. For more data about the index, use LandApp on desktop or refer to the PDF property report export. This parcel has a 91 out of 100 value index score, meaning it's highly suitable for a solar lease. LandApp compiles hundreds of data points to generate this score. Within the Electrical Infrastructure tab, I can see the property's proximity to critical infrastructure, like transmission lines and substations, as well as its proximity to the nearest solar farm. The Buildable Acreage tab shows me how much of that property is actually usable for a solar panel installation. Next, we have Solar Irradiance, which shows the property's average solar irradiance measured in watts per square meter. Finally, we have the Solar Farm tab, which provides me with a solar lease estimate measured in dollars per acre per year. Solar lease payments are typically structured in dollars per acre per year payments without royalties. For more information about the solar data and solar value indexes, check out the LandApp user manual at landapp.com/user-manual.